Good morning, students. My name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta, and in today's class, I am going to combination of errors. This is the 11th class topic, units and measurement. Okay. Now we will go to start combination of errors. So, mathematical operation in errors are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first case we are going to study addition of errors. Addition of errors. Suppose a value of A is a physical quantity which has A value and plus minus delta A is an error. Similarly, B is equals to B plus minus delta B. Delta A and delta B are the errors. Now we use the addition operation, so we can write resultant value of addition of A and B is Z. Let the Z is the resultant value. Z is equals to A plus B. Right? This is the operation. And now we can, Z is the value, so Z is the value and the error in Z is plus minus delta Z. Plus minus del Z is equals to A plus minus del B, del A plus B plus minus del B. Okay. So by using this operation we can write Z is equals to Z plus minus del Z is equals to A plus B plus minus del A plus minus del B. Okay. Now Z plus minus del Z is equals to A plus B plus minus common, so we get here del A plus del B. Okay. A plus B is equals to Z. That's why this Z to this Z cancel. So plus minus del Z is equals to plus minus del A plus del B. Now we can say in addition operation the errors are in generally simply add. Error in A and error in B are in general add. Okay. Similarly, we can use here subtraction operation. So A equals to this, B equals to this. So we get assume the Z equals to A minus B. This can be written as Z plus minus del Z is equals to A plus minus del A minus B plus minus del B. So Z plus minus del Z is equals to A minus B plus minus del A plus del B. Okay. Similarly, this was we can change the here sign positive to negative. This value is cancelled by this because Z equals to A minus B. So plus minus del Z is equals to plus minus del A plus del B. In general, we can say in addition or in subtraction, errors are generally added. Errors are in general added. Okay. Now we are moving on. Third operation is multiplication. Then we assume, suppose third operation A equals to A plus minus A, B equals to B plus minus B. So Z is equals to, the operation is mathematical operation, so A dot B. So we can write here Z plus minus del Z is equals to A plus minus del A dot B plus minus del B. Now we can write Z plus minus del Z is equals to A multiplied by B. A dot B, A multiplied by delta B, so A del B, del A multiplied by B, so plus minus B dot del A, and del A multiplied by del B is del A into del B. Del A and del B are the very minute quantities. Del is a very minute difference, del B is also very minute difference, then two minute difference can multiply, so value can be neglected. So here we can neglect del A dot del B can be neglected. Okay, so we get here Z plus minus del Z is equal to A dot B plus minus A del B plus minus B del A. Okay, and the whole expression, this whole expression divided by Z. So the equation number 1 divided by Z, then we can divide Z, and here is also we can divide by Z, and Z is equal to AB, Z is equal to AB here, A dot B, so we can write here A dot B. Okay, so this can be written as 1 plus minus del Z upon Z is equals to A dot B upon A dot B plus minus A del B upon AB plus minus B del A upon A dot B. AB to AB cancel, here is 1, A to A cancel, here B to B cancel. So we get 1 plus minus del Z upon Z is equals to 1 plus minus del B upon B plus minus del A upon A. 1 to 1 cancel, so del Z upon Z is equals to plus minus del A upon A plus del B upon B. This is the mathematical operation, multiplication of two errors. Okay. And now we are moving on, fourth operation, division. We get the fourth operation, division. Division means Z is equals to A upon B. So we can write Z plus minus delta Z is equals to A, value of A equals to A plus minus delta A, and value of B equals to B plus minus delta B. Okay. After solving, we can write in this format A plus minus del A dot B plus minus del B to the power minus 1. When one formula is here, suppose 1 plus x to the power n. If x is very less than 1, then we can use here binomial expression at the last term. So the expression should be equals to 1 plus n, or this is minus, suppose here plus or minus, then we can write here plus minus nx. This power is multiplied by to this, so we can write this 1 plus minus mx. This expression, we can open this expression by the binomial expression, so we get right plus minus del z is equals to a plus minus del a dot b plus minus del b. Expression minus 1 multiplied by 1, this is plus minus, more minus plus, similar thing is here because error is always added. Okay, and after this step we get, or we can say in the another format also, here this expression should be equals to this Now we can solve by this method, we get the same result here. Or in another method also here, one method is also here. This step can be written as, here, look here, we can write z, another method, z plus minus delta z is equals to, here a is common, okay, a is common, so 1 plus minus del a upon a, and here b, 1 plus minus del b upon b, right? This is equals to z plus minus del z is equals to a upon b here, and now we can write 1 plus minus del a upon a dot 1 plus minus del b upon b to the power minus 1. And after solving binomial expression, we get a upon b 1 plus minus del a upon a and 1 plus minus del b upon b according to the binomial expression. Okay. Now this value equals to, okay, now in another way we can solve this. A dot b, by solving this expression, okay, the expression is going to be very lengthy. Here z plus minus del z is equals to a upon b bracket multiplied by 1 into 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by plus minus del b upon b, and here del a multiplied by 1 plus minus del a by a, and plus minus del a upon a into del b upon b. This can be neglected because del a and del b are the very minute values, so their product is also very minute. That's why this term can be neglected. Okay. Then we can write here z plus minus del z is equals to a upon b plus minus a z plus minus a, okay, z a plus minus del b multiplied by this, so it is divided by z, okay, this term is divided by z, this term is divided by z, so this whole value is cancelled, a upon b divided by a upon b. A upon b to a upon b, right? 1 plus minus del b upon b plus minus del a upon a. So cancel. That's why we can write here z1 1 plus minus del z upon z is equals to 1 plus minus del a upon plus minus del b upon b. Okay, 1 to 1 cancel. So the final result is here del z upon z, del z upon z is equals to del a upon a plus del b upon b. There is plus minus. Here we can write use here sign plus minus. Okay. So the same result we get in multiplication and division also. Okay. This is the fourth operation. First operation is addition, second operation is subtraction, third operation is multiplication, and fourth operation is division. And now fifth operation, suppose we have some power of the values like this. We take fifth operation. Suppose we have a to the power n or a to the power 2. Okay, a square. So we can write here z plus minus del z equals to a plus minus del a square. After solving this value, z plus minus del z equals to a square plus 2a dot del a plus okay. This term can be neglected. So z plus minus del z is equals to a square plus minus 2a del a. Z is equals to a square. Z equals to a square. So this value cancel to this. Now we get 1 plus minus del z. Cancel out. So plus minus del z is equals to plus minus 2a del a. Okay. Cancel, or we can divide by, we can divide by z. Okay. Not cancel here. This divided by z. So 1 plus minus del z upon z is equals to a square to a square cancel 1 plus minus 2a del a upon a into a square. So a to a cancel, this is equal, and 1 to 1 cancel, so del z upon z is equals to plus minus 2 del a by a. This power multiplied to the error. This is the fourth operation. Okay, and now finally I am given to explain the one formula is here. Suppose we have z is equals to a to the power a, b to the power b, and c to the power c. So the formula of error is del z by z plus minus is equals to plus minus a del a upon a dot plus b del b upon b plus minus del c multiplied by del c upon c. Yeah, look here. This power is multiplied to the errors. That's why this power is multiplied to this error of this value, and then b is multiplied by the error of b, and c is multiplied by the error of c. In previous case, in fourth case, in division formula, this term is moving upward direction. That's why it's converted into this format. Okay. And we have to take here percentage error multiplied by 100 is equals to plus minus a del a upon a into 100 plus b del b upon b into 100 plus c del c upon c into 100. This is small c. Okay. So in today's class we are discussing 6 operations. First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, fourth is division, fifth is the power, and sixth is the combination of all 5 expressions. Okay. For today's class, that's over, and in next class we are going to explain some examples related to these operations.